Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can share a TikTok video on Snapchat with just two simple clicks. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Let's look for a video that we want to share. So for our example over here, we are going to pick this video over here. Let's say for example we want to share this video to Snapchat. Let's click on the arrow under the comment section, and then you see you have one menu, two menu, three menus, right? So what you want to do, you want to focus on this menu over here, and then you want to click on Snapchat chats. Okay, this will automatically launch the messages on your Snapchat, and you can select to who of your friends to send this video for. Okay, usually you will have this Snapchat option over here, but this usually works on other videos. This particular video, I don't know why it's not available, but if we go on another video, you will see that you can actually send this as a new post on Snapchat as well. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.